We will go to museum in Rangkas Bitung.
Yeah. One place is beautiful.
Yes.
Oh my god, oh god. And this is my friends, another friends.
My name is Ibnu Ramadantio.
My name is Muhammad Arif.
Okay, so now we are in stasiun Rangkas Bitung. So the next trip we going to Museum Utatuli with Grab car.
We are done
Guys,
to train and we in train station. Before to going to the museum, we want to breakfast, and I think that's good because we are hungry, very
really hungry.
Yeah, this is ada Tio.
Hello everyone.
Hi. What do you want to eat?
I want bread.
Great.
How about you?
I want coffee.
Do you want coffee?
Yeah.
Yes, Arif wants a coffee, guys. Oh my god, look at this roti. Oh,
Roti.
roti. Oh,
But is
but
haven't opened.
haven't opened. Maybe next time. And see you in the museum because we want to breakfast.
Breakfast.
Okay, bye bye.
We are confused about breakfast for today. Yes,
Confused, but we are hungry.
hungry.
2 jam kemudian.
Part of me is afraid to get hurt. Love always made a mess of me. Broken heart got the best of me. But with you,
Chicken porridge, guys.
Chicken porridge.
For breakfast.
Hello. Say hi.
Hi guys. We are done eating.
We are so
Cool. Because we are breakfast so much.
Arif juga kelihatan.
I very happy because I done breakfast, guys. So the next destination we are going to museum. This my friend. This Ernie, this Aisyah and Arif. Let's go. So I'm very happy in here because look at this. It's good. It's good. Good. The square of Rangkas Bitung. Shirley and Aisyah.
Hi.
So nice place.
Rangkas Bitung.
So now we in Tower Square. From where?
Rangkas Bitung.
Rangkas Bitung. In here we can see like what globe, but it's not a globe. I don't know why.
It's so big.
I don't know what is it because that's so good.
So much water. Yes.
Yeah.
Here water fountain.
Water fountain.
But the water is so dirty.
But in here, not fish. They don't have fish. So sometimes some people usually exercise here in here, but because today is Tuesday, not many people in here. Sorry. So what is that? Like you can see, guys.
So in front of there is a library and
The next
the next
inside.
is the next beside is museum.
Yeah. museum. What is that? Its name?
Museum Multatuli.
Museum Multatuli in there. So we gonna go to there, Museum Multatuli, but not easily because we gonna waiting with friends, another friends like he and she in on the way. So yeah, in there we can see every time. It's so good. Oh my god, in there we can see flowers. Come on guys. Come on. So we gonna meet the flower. See. The flower. What is that? What is that name? The flower.
What I don't know that's what flower, but it's so beautiful.
Yes.
Beautiful. Okay. Oh, purple. Look at this. So nice. Like pyramid too. Pyramid. Rubik. What is name? Mr. Theo.
I don't know, but it's a beautiful.
Oh my god, look at this. Tower. That is a Moscow. That's so nice and so big. I wanna go there. So you wanna go, Arif?
We want to go over there.
Yes.
Okay. You say, oh my god, it's so beautiful, Moscow. Oh yeah. In here we can see basketball court, and here have 2 basketball courts.
Okay, and over there we can see the main field. It's so big, yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, so much the bird over there. You can see.
Aduh. Over there is library. What is name? Saidah Adinda. Wilujeng Sumping. And over there, is a museum. We gonna to go there.
I feel so happy, really so happy because I can healing before was. Okay.
Oh, healing before UAS.
Yes.
Okay, the next destination we gonna go to
Library.
Wilujeng Sumping.
Is very many history.
It's
And-
famous.
Yes, and this is famous.
Yeah. What do you feel?
Happy.
Do you like reading?
Oh, yes, okay.
Do you want to say something?
I like this place.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We gonna take a picture in here. So yeah, bye bye.
Beautiful over there, see.
Oh my god, that's so good.
That is white.
Oh my god, I want to take a picture.
Yes, I want to take a picture. Guys.
It's so amazing.
Let's try.
Ah.
My god, it's so cute.
And this is library, the Wilujeng Sumping, and beside is museum. Look at this. Wait. Wow. It's so good. Oh my god. Like Highland home. So yeah, we was good time because we tried. Sorry. This is. Oh my god.
Yeah, so tired.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Beautiful eyes.
Thank you. Yes.
Look at this. Hello. They talk about train to go home. It's so funny, guys. So follow perjalanan travel a day with us. Bye.
Okay guys, all members is complete. Complete guys.
We fan is Kamil.
So let's go to museum.
We standing here for looking in the round.
In here we have a ship, the name Halfman, yacht type ship. So product in a shipyard in Amsterdam in 1608, and the next years the ship began sailing and was also used by Henry Hudson in this. Henry Hudson, Englishman who worked for the VOC. Oh my god, sorry. VOC. When he discovered the New Amsterdam, which people know now as the city of New York City. In December 1618, Melfman was burned by British in attack on the Batavia, as people now know is Jakarta. Okay.
So I will explain about the, Prince William ships. Prince William was produced in 16 1650 at the VOC shipyard in Middelburg. The ship first sailed to India in 1651. The ship Prince William took part in the Dutch naval war against England in 1652 to 1654. In 1661, this ship was included in the fleet that departed for the Dutch East Indies, but was hit by a storm in the Indian Ocean and suffered damage in the area Estebrandon, Madagascar. So this is a ship, Prince William. Thank you.
Okay, for the next I will read the history of the Ruyter ship. The ship, the Ruyter, was built in 1749 at Fort Amsterdam, Belanda. The ship is large, with a length of 45 meters. The carrying capacity of the Ruyter reaches 1,150 tons, with 2,058 to 3,057 crew members. The ship began its first voyage in 1744 to the Canton of China. The ship was used until January 6, 1773, then sold.
Of the fashion, the we taken by the Europa collection, we can see some expression, see of netman, pepper, cloves, and cinnamon.
The word cinder was the transliterations for obscene in the dark.
Here about the coffee olive tree. In the culture tales, forced cultivation era, common people didn't allow to drink coffee from the beans. They had to send all the beans to the village head who forward them to the region that also had responsibility to distribute all the coffee beans he got to folk. In West Sumatra, people start to brew coffee from the leaves. Multituli mentioned this tradition on his Hefler in the conversation between Verwoerd and Lieutenant Duclari, garrison commander in Rangkas Bitung. Thank you.
This one can coin issue in 1507 was used in the 14th cultivation era.
In here, we have a good king, King William. King William was born on the 19th February 1817 in Brussels, Belgium, with complete name William Alexander Paul Frederick Ludwig van Oranje Nassau, a long name. He was king of the Netherlands from 1508 until this dates in 1819. And this is a book, leather, for King William in Indonesia. So good. Multitular letter. This letter, sent by Edward Downes, daughter of the King of Netherlands William III, about the repose of the station in the colony, also the makes Hefler book that he going to publish. In this letter, Dr. Belgen, King William III, to give more attention to the Dutch as Indians. Government who drawn to be mismanaged and foreman the local people. I think he's good man because he's so like
Lithography. Multatuli lithography, artwork with unknown printing date, approximately between 1864 to 1900. This lithograph was made based on Edward Downes Dekker photograph captured by Cesar Mickiewicz in 1864. Cesar was born in Warsaw, Poland and lived in Brussels, Belgium.
And here is there the Cidahyang inscriptions, Prasasti Cidahyang, found in Lebak village, Muncul Pandeglang district, unrelated to Tarumanegara Kingdom era, who ruled from 4th until 5th centuries. The inscription lines describe, "This is the true symbol of courageous greatness and brave from the mighty King Purnawarman, who became the leader among all of the kings." It was a real proof of important the influence of the Tarumanegara power along Banten territory.
Bung Karno letter to Samuel Copperberg. Sukarno sent this letter from his exile in and to one of his best friend, Samuel Copperberg, who worked as a secretary in Java Institute. Copperberg also an active member of Indische Social Democratische Partij. In his letter dated in September 27, 1935, Sukarno told him the situation surrounding his exile, deserted with dusty roads and hot weather, and is a small foreshore city in Nusa Tenggara Timur. The colonial government exiled him for 4 years, 1935 to 1938. Thank you. This alat giling kopi in Indonesian language. So, this traditional coffee grinder has been used since 19th centuries, driven by a handle which connected to a serration wheel who grind the coffee beans inside the wooden books. The coffee powder collected in a small driver placed in front of the machine.
Nah, pada saat itu berfungsi sebagai mawil hansip atau markas wilayah hansip. Kemudian setelah itu berfungsi sebagai kantor kewadanaan. Kemudian beralih fungsi kembali menjadi kantor BKD. Dan 2017 beralih fungsi kembali menjadi Museum Bola Tuli. Jadi pada tahun 2017 itu sudah lengkap pengisian konten. namun 2018 baru diresmikan.
Terus ibu di sini tuh menjaga atau
Ya.
menjaga?
Perkenalkan dulu ya, nama
Iya,
Ibu Siti Nur Hasanah. Jadi Ibu di sini bertugas sebagai edukator di Museum Bola Tuli. Hampir semua kedatangan bangsa-bangsa Eropa ke Nusantara itu dilatar belakangi terkait dengan rempah-rempah. Di antaranya ada pala, cengkeh, lada, dan kayu manis. Nah, di ruang kolonial itu juga kita punya displaynya ya,
Iya.
dan itu asli. Kemudian di ruang sejarah kolonial juga kita memiliki koleksi lain, di antaranya ada kapal de Batavia. Jadi salah satu jenis kapal VOC atau kapal dagang Hindia Timur. Kenapa dikasih nama kapal dagang? Kenapa dagang Hindia Timur? Karena memang kala itu juga ada perhimpunan dagang Hindia Barat. Pasti tahu ya.
Iya.
Untuk sejarah kolonial pasti udah pada tahu lah ya, nggak usah diceritain terlalu detail ya.
Iya, Bu.
Gitu. Kemudian ruang selanjutnya ada ruang tanam paksa, temanya masih tentang kolonial. Nah di situ bercerita mengenai sistem tanam paksa yang dijalankan oleh Johannes van der Bos tahun 1830. Nah di mana sistem tanam paksa ini begitu sangat membuat masyarakat kita bisa dibilang menyiksa lah, kelaparan dan lain halnya gitu, karena antara peraturan dengan praktek di lapangan justru berbeda. Di situ ada replika perkebunan kopi, ada orang-orang Jawa sedang menguliti kopi dengan cara dikunyah, karena memang pada saat itu belum ada mesin pemecah kopi. Kemudian ada sejarah kopi dahulu. Jadi ketika masa tanam paksa, masyarakat menanam, memelihara, memanen.
Ibu mau nanya, Mula Tuli itu apa ya?
Oh iya, nanti ya ini di ruangan ini kita bercerita mengenai sosok Mula Tuli ya.
Mula Tuli itu tokoh.
Ya, jadi multa tuli itu berasal dari bahasa Latin. Multa itu banyak, tuli itu artinya menderita. Gitu. Jadi, ya,
Bukan tokoh ya, Bu?
bukan.
Oh.
Itu jadi maksudnya memang multa tuli ini memang samaran. Kalau tokohnya ya Edward Daus Dekker.
Iya.
Kalau bicara multa tuli berarti bicara Max Havelaar karyanya.
Iya.
Seperti itu. Iya, gitu. Betul, gitu. Jadi Edward Daus Dekker ini lahir di Amsterdam, Belanda pada tanggal 2 Maret 1820 dan beliau meninggal di Jerman pada tanggal 19 Februari 1887. Jadi Edward Daus Dekker ini mengawali karir di usia 17 tahun yang pada saat itu dia ikut berlayar dengan ayahnya yang bekerja sebagai nakoda kapal. Nah, setibanya di Nusantara dia bekerja sebagai juru tulis, setelah itu bekerja sebagai amtenar atau PNS, pegawai negeri sipil. Nah, setelah itu dia bekerja sebagai asisten residen terakhir di Lebak Rangkas Bitung ini. Itu sebetulnya nggak lama, hanya 3 bulan saja. Gitu. Namun memang sosok Edward Daus Dekker ini kerap sekali mendapatkan perlakuan yang memang kurang menyenangkan dari atasannya, seperti halnya dia pernah tidak digaji selama beberapa bulan ketika menjabat sebagai amtenar seperti itu, dan terakhir dia menjabat sebagai asisten residen di Lebak ini. Dia mendapati kondisi Lebak berbeda dengan apa yang pernah dia baca sebelumnya, sebelum dia berangkat ke Lebak sebagai asisten residen gitu, dimana hal yang dia temukan itu berbicara mengenai kota Rangkas Bitung, umumnya Lebak, yang masyarakatnya pada saat itu bisa dibilang gemah ripah loh jinawi atau berkecukupan atau tidak disiksa lah intinya ya gitu. Tapi dia ketika datang ke sini mendapati keadaan yang berbeda seperti itu. Gitu. Ya singkatnya ya gitu Edward Daus Dekker ini. Kemudian di ruang kolonial kita punya masterpiece ya bisa dibilang ya.
Oh, iya.
Ya itu ya. Nah itu asli yang kalian lihat ada ya. Ya mau ke sana? Di sini aja. Oke. Nah di dalam kotak situ ya kita punya beberapa koleksi asli yang didatangkan dari Museum Belanda. Kita punya koleksi roman yang pertama kali diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Prancis 1876. Kemudian kita juga punya koleksi brieven atau surat menyurat Mula Tuli. Kemudian kita juga punya koleksi ide-ide Mula Tuli, dan ada yang berderet 1 sampai 25 itu catatan kerja Mula Tuli, catatan kerja Edward Daus Dekker gitu. Kemudian kita juga punya koleksi lantai atau dalam bahasa Belandanya tegel gitu. Nah, si lantai ini dia punya histori sendiri. Jadi yang menyelamatkan lantai itu justru ketika datang rombongan jurnalis yang sedang napaktilas ke Lebak pada saat itu, mereka menemukan 2 buah lantai ini yang terletak di bak sampah. Dan akhirnya mereka berinisiatif mengambil lantai ini, kemudian mereka bawa ke Belanda. Asli gitu. Kemudian akhirnya bupati kita ambil lagi karena kan kita butuh untuk koleksi kita. Seperti itu ya adik-adik ya. Kemudian di ruang Mula Tuli juga ada litografi wajah Mula Tuli, itu juga asli gitu. Dan kalau di sini ada orang-orang tokoh-tokoh ya, maksudnya tokoh-tokoh seperti Ibu Gita Kartini, Ambar Subarjo, Pramudia Anantatur, dan Jose Rizal. Nah, ini semuanya tokoh-tokoh yang sangat mengagumi sosok Edward Dausdekker atau Mula Tuli melalui karyanya Max Havelaar gitu. Jadi maksudnya memang secara individu suka dengan sosok Mula Tuli inilah gitu ya, atau Edward Dausdekker. Bagaimana hal yang telah diutarakan oleh Pramudia Anantatur, kata beliau, seorang politikus itu sebelum menjadi seorang politik gitu ya, harus kenal dulu dengan Mula Tuli gitu. Kalau tidak mau menjadi politikus yang kejam seperti itu.